My name is Robert Harris. I'm the Director of Facilities here at the BOCES. The upcoming video is going to introduce you to some of the protocols that have been put in place here at the BOCES in response to the COVID-19. The facilities are being cleaned according to the state education guidelines. We have hired additional staff who is going through the facility twice daily, including our night staff, which takes care of them every night after classes. We are, during the day, hitting touch points such as bathrooms, doorknobs, handles, drinking fountains, and any areas that are frequently touched by students and staff during the day. Remember to keep 6 feet apart for social distancing when entering the building. Help us stop the spread of COVID-19 signs are posted at every entrance. Remember to use hand sanitizer and take a mask if needed. Hand sanitizer dispensers have been installed throughout the building. Custodial staff has been equipped with disinfectant sprayers that use a peroxide-based disinfectant that can be applied and allowed to dry or applied and wiped after 35 seconds. Additional staff has been hired to clean and disinfect during the course of the day. Touch points throughout the building will be cleaned at night and twice during the day. Hand sanitizer and disinfectant has been provided in every classroom and office. We are using a peroxide-based cleaner, which is approved by the EPA to disinfect against COVID-19. Remember, it is going to take the entire team. We are all in this together. Conference areas and classrooms have been designed for social distancing. Sanitizer wipes have been provided in areas approved for their use. And again, let's all work together to stay safe.